Welcome to Sold by Auctions. In this 60-second video, what we're going to talk about is the art of preparation and what you need to make sure that you are doing as a team to ensure that the auction day itself runs as smoothly as possible. Ready, set, go. Ladies and gentlemen, it's an absolutely common knowledge that if you fail to prepare, then you prepare to fail. So during that period of time before the auction day itself, you need to make sure that you've got all of your homework done to make sure that you know everything that is absolutely crucial about that property. Common things that you know are going to come up. Things like, are there any easements? Are there any covenants or restrictions on the land? Are there any special council requirements, as well as rates and outgoings? You need to make sure that you are fully aware of what that information entails. As well as that, getting your auction kit ready is super important, because the last thing you want to be worrying about on the day is making sure if you've got a sold sticker available, if you've got enough business cards, all of those nitty-gritty little things that you know are going to make an impact on auction day itself. And finally, knowing your buyer audience. So doing a bit of profiling on them, finding a little bit more about them themselves can help you to engage with that buyer population on auction day. Any questions, guys? Give us a call.